cattle are quiet, the pastures are gray. I put the tools of my living and my dying away. There's a frost on the handle of the old pump well, and a silence so heavy it's got its own story to tell. I walked the perimeter, checked every post and wire, watched the last of the cedar sink down in the fire. I've given the ghosts all the room they could need in a house built for harvest that's grown over with weed. And I'm hanging last lantern at the gate tonight, giving the darkness a small piece of light. I ain't waiting for a rider, I ain't looking for a sign. I'm just drawing a circle at the end of the line. It's a copper wicket so long to the shadows and the hate, leaving one little star in the lantern at the gate. The hinges are weeping, the timber is tired from the weight of the dreams that we never acquired. You said you were leaving before the first snow, and I've spent 14 winters just watching it blow. I used to keep watch till my eyes turned to lead. Now I'm just making peace with the things left unsaid. It's a lonesome geography, this border of mine, where they almost never begin to entwine. And I'm hanging last lantern at the gate tonight, giving the darkness a small piece of light. I ain't waiting for a rider, I ain't looking for a sign. I'm just drawing a circle at the end of the line. It's a copper wicket so long to the shadows and the hate, leaving one little star in the lantern at the gate. If the wind ever turns and it carries you home, if you find yourself tired of the miles and the loan, you'll see where I stood, you'll see where I stayed, by the glow of the debt that I finally paid. Cinematic, slow build solo, half acoustic, half electric with heavy reverb, sounding like a sunset over a canyon. Step into the black, turn the oil down low. There's nowhere else for a cowboy to go. at the gate. Just the light, and the latch. Click. A final, resonant low E string pluck that vibrates until it's overtaken by the sound of a cold wind blowing through grass.